Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to check and replace the battery in a UPS. Before that, please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button for latest updates. For this, you can see this is a 650 VA UPS, and any 650 VA UPS you can check the battery, and you can replace by seeing this video. So first you have to open the UPS. There are 4 screws will be there in the bottom. Open the 4 screws. And slightly pull the top of the, okay, you can see the battery here, and just remove the clamp from that battery. Before that, you have to remove both terminals of the battery. Remove the clamp out. Take the battery out. You can check the battery voltage. If it is less than 10 volt, the battery is in low volt. You can check by using a multimeter. Yeah, you can check the voltage. Yeah, it's less than 10 volt. Okay, you can check the charging also. After that, you have to check the charging voltage also. Connect the terminals, black in black and red in red. Red will be the positive and the black is the negative terminal. And connect the plug to mains power and switch on the UPS. Check the charging voltage. If the charging voltage keep on increasing, then you can say that the battery is charging. So so the battery is not charging properly. So I'm going to change the battery. So replace with a new battery and just check the charging voltage, whether it is getting increasing. It is, you can see the battery voltage is more than 12.5, and Now switch on the main and you can check. If we switch off the main and you can check, the battery voltage will keep on decreasing. Once you switch on the mains voltage, the battery charging voltage keep on increasing, so that the battery is properly charging and discharging. You see, now the main is on, and it is the voltage is keep on increasing. So the battery is properly charging. The charging voltage is proper, and the battery is properly charging. So once again we can try with that old battery. So this is for your reference purpose. If I can show that. See, see if the UPS, when the power main is on, it's keep on decreasing, so it's giving some error reading. So battery is totally gone. See, if we switch on, it's giving some error reading. If you switch off, it's keep on increasing. So see, if switch off the thing, it is keep on increasing. Actually, it has to if you switch on, switch on, it has to increase, and if you switch off the main, it has to decrease. Means the voltage has to be decreased. See, if you switch off the main, it is the voltage is increasing. If you switch on the main, see, the voltage is decreasing. So there is some problem with the battery. So it's giving a error reading. See, when we switch off the UPS, see, switch on, it's keep on decreasing. So it's showing some error reading. So the battery is gone. See, some batteries will show error reading if there is an internal short or anything in the battery, and so in this case we have to change the battery. See, now we switch off the UPS main power, it is increasing. If we switch on the main power, it's keep on decreasing. See, if we switch off, it's keep on increasing. If we switch on main, it has to, the voltage has to increase, so it's keep on decreasing. See, switch off, it's increasing. I haven't told it's going. So it's showing some error reading. So battery has some problem. So we have to replace the battery. So I'm changing the battery. This is 12 volts. The battery rating is 12 volt 7.2 Ah battery. This is. See, you have to connect the black to the negative terminal, the same black, and that red wire to the positive terminal, the same red. See, now you can see with this. See, when we switch on the power, it's keep on increasing. So this battery is good. See, switch on, it's keep on increasing. So battery is charging properly. We have to see the discharge also. We switch off the main, the voltage has to keep decrease. See, if you switch off the battery, see, voltage is coming down. So the battery is discharging properly. So the battery is good. we switch on the main. Again, it's increasing. So the battery is good. New battery is working perfect. So we can close the UPS. While closing, you have to be very careful with those wires. It should not stuck in the screw or something like. So put the clamp, battery clamp. Should come under the wire. Yeah, should be very careful while closing the UPS. The wire should not stuck somewhere, because if the wire got stuck in the screw or in the cover, it will get cut and the UPS will get short. So you have to be very careful. Put the screws. Put the screws. Uh, After tightening all the screws, Yeah, now we can check the output voltage using multimeter. Switch on the UPS. Hold the two probes in the output side. You can see the voltage, it's 220. Output is proper in actually three plug points are there. You can check in each. See all 220. Yeah, it's working fine. So thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel for latest updates. Please don't forget to select the bell button. Thank you. Bye.